guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I thought I would share with you all some fall decorating ideas. Yes, so today I'm going to officially start decorating for fall, and I am going to be styling my buffet, or credenza if you will call it. So let's get started. So first, you guys, I'm just going to use my orange cleaner and give everything a good wipe down. This orange cleaner is amazing and it smells absolutely delicious, and all it does is just give the wood a nice shine, and then it removes all of the dust. So to start, you guys, I'm going to start by adding this beautiful wreath that I got from Target stores. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection, which is the Joanna Gaines collection. I just fell in love with this wreath when I seen it at the store. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a grapevine wreath, and it has a beautiful, vibrant fall colors on there, and I thought it would look really, really good here above my buffet. Next, you guys, I'm going to add these beautiful vases here with this DIY floral arrangement that I created about a week or so ago. If you haven't seen my video on DIY simple floral arrangements, I'll link it up in the cards. But yeah, these are my Bella vases that I got from Z Gallery, and I just added these beautiful fall florals that I got from Michael's. And I just love how it gives, how it elevates the space, kind of draws the attention to everything, and just really, really give off that fall vibe. Next, you guys, I'm going to add this beautiful mother of pearl tray here because I'm going to be creating a vignette of pumpkins to put here in the center. But you'll see me later on in this video. I end up changing out this tray and adding a more glam tray to kind of tie in the space a little bit better. But first, I'm going to go ahead and add these candle holders to each side of my vases. These are some silver candle holders that I purchased from Home Goods, and I'm just going to layer these candle holders with actually another small candle holder. I love layering, so I thought these little candle holders will look amazing on top of these stick candle holders. And then I'm just going to add in some nice LED candles that I got from Dollar Tree. And then this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. I'm loving how everything is coming together. I'm loving the color scheme. Everything is just like screaming fall to me. Now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add the same thing to the other side. I'm going to add another silver candlestick to the other side as well. And then I'm also going to layer that one with the same small candle holder as well, as along with the Dollar Tree LED candles. And these smaller candle holders that I got here, I did pick those up from Burlington. I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. I love the glam that it has on there and the shine and the sparkle. I thought it was like so super cute. And this is what everything is looking like so far, you guys. I'm just loving how everything is turning out. Okay, you guys, so here is the second tray that I decided to add in here. So I removed the mother of pearl tray and decided to add this kind of glam beaded tray here because I thought it would fit the space a little bit better. Plus this one is a rectangular shape, so I'm able to corral my pumpkins on there a little bit better. So I also decided to put some magnolia leaves on there just to kind of give the vignette a little different dimension, or a little bit of dimension, but I end up removing these later on in the video as well. So yes, so sometimes you just have to play around with things to kind of get the desired style that you're going for. So sometimes that means taking things down and restarting all over again. So that's kind of what I did in this video here. And I'm going to start by adding this beautiful velvet pumpkin here with the gold stem. I love that burnt orange color, and I end up getting that pumpkin from Michael's. Then I'm going to also add this gold and white pumpkin here. It says Hello Fall, and I got that pumpkin from Home Goods. Then I also have a little polka dot pumpkin, which is white with gold polka dots, what I thought was super, super cute, and I end up getting that from Michael as well, I think last year. Then I'm also going to add in these beautiful gold acorns from Hobby Lobby. I purchased these on sale when they had the 40% off sale, and I believe they were like $3.99. I just love the way it gives off that elegant look, and then they're super cute. But you can also use these on your tablescape as well as like a plate topper. So this is what it's looking like so far, you guys, and I'm loving how everything has turned out. It is turned out so pretty. So I decided to add a nice candle because I love burning fall candles when it's time for the fall season. And then this one is in I believe hazelnut and hot cocoa, and I believe I purchased this candle from Home Goods as well, and it absolutely smells amazing. No, I'm sorry, I think I got that one from Burlington, but yeah, it smells just like fresh hazelnut and hot cocoa. So it really does smell good. So this is what everything is looking like so far, you guys. I'm loving how everything has turned out. If you are new here, my name is Trina. I share everything on my channel that's home decor related, including some lifestyle videos. So if you are interested in that kind of content, I would love to have you stay and become part of our family by having you click that subscribe button and turning your notification bell on so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So, okay, you guys, so for the side of my buffet, I'm just going to add this wicker basket here. I just think that baskets kind of give the space a little bit of warmth. So I like to add little baskets here with a throw blanket and some extra pillows there. So you'll see me add in this cream little throw blanket to kind of break up the brown and the colors. The brown. So, and then I'm going to add in some beautiful fall pillows. Now this throw blanket I bought from Target maybe about 4 years ago, but it's like the absolutely softest throw blanket. So I absolutely love this throw blanket. And so I thought this would look really cute here in this wicker basket. Then next, you guys, I'm going to add in these beautiful fall pillows. I love this brown and gold. That is so my color scheme this year. And I ended up getting this pillow from the At Home store. I believe it was like $12.99 or something like that. Yeah, but I just love the gold leaves that it had on there, and I thought it was like super cute. So I picked up one of those pillows actually. And then I'm also going to pair it with this other little mini beaded pillow that I got from Ross Stores last fall season. Actually, it was after fall season. I ended up getting it on clearance. But I love that little fall pillow. I think it looks so cute. So yeah, you guys, so this is how everything has turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And yeah. And if you're not part of the family already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining us. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.